Hey guys, this is Akshaj Tips and what you're seeing now is the Mi Band 4. So this smartband costs about 3000 rupees and as it is a smartband, one of the awesome things that you can do with it is changing its face. So in this video, I'm gonna show how can you change the face of the Mi Band 4. So first, you will have to install and connect the Mi Fit app to your Mi Band. Then you should open it and tap on the profile option. From there, you will have to tap on the Mi Band 4 option and then you will see a lot of options for customizing the Mi Band. So to change its face, you need to tap on the band display settings and then you are gonna see different types of faces for the Mi Band 4. But before selecting the face, make sure that your Mi Band is close to your phone to speed up the syncing. So after selecting the face, wait till the syncing is finished. It will only take you about 45 seconds. So this is how you can change the face of the Mi Band. So I think you guys like this video. If yes, click the like button, and if you need more videos like this, you have to just click the subscribe button. And if you guys want to know what recently happened to Facebook and Instagram, click on the video that I am showing you now. And finally, this is Akshaj Tips signing off.